Hey, it's Emily, and today I wanted to show you my entire shoe collection because I have a bunch of cute shoes that I have not been able to wear recently or have not had a reason to wear because we have been stuck at home with nowhere to go, nothing to do, and also I've been, before this, stuck in school, at work, dance, other things, and haven't had a chance to wear a lot of my shoes because I have a bunch of heels that don't really fit into an everyday occasion to wear. So today I thought I should put my shoes to use and show you my entire shoe collection. So today I'm going to be trying on all my shoes and showing you all the shoes that I have just for the fun of it. I have a good amount of shoes to wear. Now I feel like I don't have a lot of shoes, but I do have a lot of heels. So I'm going to be starting with heels and then moving on to more casual shoes. So let's start with my first pair of heels right now. So first I'm going to start with my shorter heels. So I have these sparkly golden heels that are fairly short. They're from Fioni and I got them at Payless. They've got some gold metallic material as well as some actual sparkly gold material. And yeah, those ones are pretty cute. Next I have some black heels that are fairly short. They've got a block heel and they're kind of strappy. They're made of a slightly soft black material and they're from Brash, but I found these at Goodwill and it looks like I got them for $8 total. So these ones I got because a black heel can pair with anything. It's a very generic staple shoe to have. So yeah, those are that one. What? Yeah, here are these shoes. My last pair of shorter heels would be these ones. They're a very light blue, also slightly soft material. They're from A New Day, which would be a Target brand or Walmart. I think it would be Target brand. But I did also find these at Goodwill and they're in pretty good condition. And I think these ones are very cute, slightly basic. Here are my next pair. So moving on to slightly taller heels, I have these white faux leather heels that have a block heel and they're slightly taller than the other ones. These ones are from Old Navy and I think they're pretty cute and basic. They go with anything. And here's what they look like. So my next pair of taller heels, these ones are a cork heel. They're a block heel and they also have some height in the toe. So these ones are very cute, I think. They have blue and white stripes, a nice little cross pattern. They are from Anne Klein, but I got them at DSW Shoes. And these would probably be my favorite pair of heels because when I saw them, I knew I had to have them. They are so cute, but I've only worn them a very small amount of times because it's not very often that you have an occasion where you need to wear very high, cute heels. Okay, so next moving on to my actual block heels. I don't know what you would call these, but it's the whole shoe is a heel, if that makes sense. So I have these gold metallic heels with a cork bottom. These ones are from Brash as well, and they're pretty cute, pretty tall. So that's them. My next pair of block heels would be these ones. I think they're very, very cute. They're from Limelight and I got them at Goodwill actually for looks like $10 total. And these are some very bright corally orange shoes with a rope bottom and I think they're super adorable. Okay, so that would be all of my heels. Now moving on to more tennis shoe style shoes. So I have these. These would be my Michael Kors. I also got them at DSW Shoes. And they're white leather with gold details. I think they're very cute. They go with anything. They're a basic item and they're really nice. They've lasted me a while. I really love these shoes. Next, of course, I have some black Converse, and I think they're pretty casual, but also really bring together an outfit in some occasions. So I enjoy enjoy having these shoes. Next I have some like Ked style shoes. They're from the brand Massimo, but I got them at like Target or Walmart. And they're kind of beat up and worn down. These are my like, I want to quickly put on a pair of shoes type of shoes. These are like the shoes that I wear in an occasion where I don't want to look too nice or like want to wear shoes that I can get dirty. But I keep these around just for that. Next I have my only pair of boots. These are some nice black tie-up boots. I do not know what brand they are from, but I found them at Goodwill and they're in practically perfect condition. The only problem is they are a slightly small. So I haven't worn them a lot, but I do think they are very nice, very cute. My last pair of shoes I wear so much, they're kind of in bad condition, but these are my knockoff Birkenstocks. I have no idea what brand they are from, but I got them at either Target or Walmart, and I just slip these on all the time whenever I'm going for a walk or anything, and I really love having these around because they're like kind of cute and very easy to style and to wear. They're good to have around, so I really love these ones. Okay, so that is all of my shoes that I have. I think it's about like 12 pairs. I know it's not a bunch of shoes, but like I don't know. It depends on who you are. You might think it's a lot, you might not. But yeah, those are all of the shoes that I have. Comment which one's your favorite, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like. Also, go check out some of my other videos, because if you like this one, you might like them as well. And subscribe if you haven't already by clicking the button below or the icon on the corner of the screen if you're using a computer. Also, I post every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so turn on your post notifications to get notified when I post. I post at 6 o'clock every time that I post. Also, don't forget to use my code EmilyLongenecker905 for 20% off your purchase at Pura Vida. I will put the code on the screen and I will link it in the description, so make sure to go check that out. And anyways, I will see you next time, so bye!